So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add stickers to a video here on InShot. So here's my InShot video right here. If I were to go ahead and press on play, as you can tell, there's no stickers whatsoever. But if you wanted to add stickers, it's very simple. Slide this bar where it says stickers between text and audio, press on that. Now you can go ahead and actually go ahead and press sticker right here. And you can go ahead and select a sticker. So for example, if you wanted these bunny ears right here, you can add that. If you wanted to add the this hand gesture, you can go ahead and add a lollipop, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and add this to your video. If all looks good, go ahead and press on the check mark right here. Now if I were to go ahead and play the video just like this, there's now stickers added to my video. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add stickers to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.